2021 Ram 1500. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.